Everything in here does run and drive and operate. The real low mile stuff will maybe do a lap around the building, but everything else I'll drive home at night. When my daughters were younger, I'd drop them off to school in the morning in the old cars, and then I'd come back into work, and that would be a good exercise cycle, 2 full heat cycles for the cars to keep everything happy. Up here on the left is kind of a highlight of the whole collection. We've got 3 of these Continental Mark IIs, which in themselves are very amazing cars and beautiful cars, but what makes these 3 special is they all belong to members of the Ford family, actually Henry Ford's grandsons. The blue one belonged to William Clay Ford Sr., who owned the Detroit Lions, and he had his Mark II trimmed out in his football team colors. The green one was Benson Ford's Mark II, and the black one was ordered brand new by Henry II. The black one was the only one ever produced with a cloth upholstered roof. The green one, Benson Ford brought it back into Ford engineering in 1958 and had them upgrade this car with the new Lincoln 430 engine. So this has got a 430 in it, all done within the walls of Ford. So it gets judged as an original car because all the modifications were done by Ford. It's also wearing one of 2 experimental prototype radial spoke Dayton wire wheels that are real knockoff wheels. These were prototype wheels because Continental intended that these be the production wheels for the car, but they didn't pass the durability test back in the day. When we acquired this prototype set, there was 2 broken spokes. These were the engineering mule set that failed. So I love this green one. This green one's my favorite of the 3 just because I think the color is so beautiful and it looks really elegant with those wire wheels on it that it was supposed to have.